Drawing backgrounds can be daunting, but should they really be? In this video, I'll be showing you how I approach drawing a classroom background in 3 simple steps. Let's get into it. The first step of drawing any background is you need to have a reference material. So a good place you can get reference materials is Google Images and Pinterest. The first step is designing your layout composition. This is where you figure out how things are going to be placed in your canvas and also determining the angle, the perspective, and the composition of your whole scene. You don't have to draw the sketch to the correct perspective. We are going to be fixing this with perspective rulers. So I generally start with a sketch layer. Sometimes this sketch layer might change, the composition might change at the end. So I try to be as loose as possible. Also try to place a few characters in your scene so that you can know the correct sizes of composition in your scene. For objects that are in perspective and are parallel, sometimes I use guiding lines to place such as the chairs correctly in perspective. I sometimes use 3D objects between the background and the objects. It's also a good idea to number your work, like for instance the BG and also the overlaying and underlaying elements, which are called books in anime. You can shade in the background elements with darker gray shades to indicate how the lighting is coming in the room. It's also important to separate your background elements into their separate folders so that it's easy to edit those elements. Sometimes for characters that are behind some background elements, I try to turn off those books that are on top so that I can place the character correctly. With the sketch done, it's time to clean up your sketch with anti-aliased brush. I used vector layers for this. With the line art done, it's time to do the coloring. Try to go for neutral colors at this stage. I start with flat colors, then later apply shading on top of the flat colors. I normally just use one color for both the shading and the lights. I use blending mode such as multiply for shadows, add for lights, and soft light for that soft look shadows. For the textures on the wall, I just use a soft round brush with a layer clipped on top of the wall flat colors with a blending mode of soft light. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you when you see me. Bye bye.